The curcumin in turmeric has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can promote skin health and give it a natural glow. Turmeric also possesses wound healing properties and can help treat scars, marks, and other spots. Aloe vera heals acne, fades scars, and zaps excess oil while also keeping your skin moisturized. The combination of aloe vera gel and turmeric can work wonders for your skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make skin whitening cream with turmeric powder. You will need 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and half tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix these ingredients and your cream is ready. Apply on your face and neck, leave it for night, and wash it off next morning. Studies show that skincare products formulated with turmeric and curcumin can help improve the appearance of skin tone irregularities, like blotchiness, redness, and unevenness. Some evidence even suggests that using turmeric topically can help improve the appearance of dark spots and discolorations.